Okay, so this year, my husband and I have really been trying to stay on budget and not buy a whole lot of extra unnecessary things. So this fall haul is mostly all things that I already have, with the exception of very few new things, and I'll go through and show you. These two fall pillows here are from Walmart last year. This blanket here, I don't remember where I got that from, but I've had it. This lantern with pumpkins in it is from Walmart from last year. This little galvanized thing here is from, I think, Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. As is this. This is from Walmart last year. All my florals are mostly all from the Dollar Tree. I might have a couple that are from like Walmart. These two little scarecrows are from the Dollar Tree. I think all my this pumpkin and these two white pumpkins are from Walmart. All these little pumpkins here are from the Dollar Tree in years past. This little guy here is from the Target Dollar Spot. This is from Hobby Lobby. It was super cheap. This little bead garland is from Hobby Lobby. This sign here is from a couple years ago from the Dollar Tree. And this little fall sign is, I think, from Walmart. And let's see here. This I made, and I have a DIY tutorial on my channel on how I made this, so we're going to be putting that somewhere. And then I have this tier tray, but I'm going to be decorating that in a different video for you guys. These two here are from Dollar Tree. This I made, also a DIY I have on my channel. This is from Hobby Lobby. These came in a pack. I also have some in this little thing here that went in this pack. I was just kind of tossed them in there to see how they would look. They're just little pumpkins. This little house is from the Target Dollar Spot. It was $3. And that's it. So let's get started cleaning and decorating.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is so much fun. It is a fall clean and decorate with me. I am going to be going through and cleaning off all the surfaces that I'm going to be decorating. I'm going to decorate my mantle here, my TV area, my dining table, the little hutch in my dining room, and my kitchen counter. I just wanted to introduce myself if you are new. My name is Lauren. I am a stay-at-home mom of 5 kiddos. I have 4 boys and 1 little girl. And I make videos on cleaning, decorating, organizing, some cooking videos, and I love to do DIYs. So if those are things that you love, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Thanks so much.
I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for 2. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now.
I have a tutorial on how to make this buffalo plaid frame here. If you'd like to make one for yourself, for your mantle, or another area in your home, I'll be sure to link it right here.
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty.
I love to buy all of my floral stems from the Dollar Tree. I feel like they have such great deals, and a lot of them look really good and they don't look like they were only $1. So that's a money saving tip for decorating, is really check out Dollar Tree because they have some great high-end looking florals.
Yeah, we only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Oh, we're still here, flipping coins about what's to come. It starts getting cold, and we don't know any way out of here. We try to understand how it all started to go wrong, but the sea is way too deep. Yeah, it's deeper than we could ever go, honey. We have to be together here in the stormy weather. So why do we hold on, even if it hurts so? It's breaking us apart. I guess we'll never know how it feels to see the shoreline. We have to be together, stuck in the stormy weather.
I'm going to be decorating this area here, but the things that I'm going to be placing here are definitely going to be baby friendly. I have a 15-month-old and he gets into everything, so these things are soft and things that won't break. So this really isn't for looks per se, because I mean, let's be honest, the TV isn't really an appealing area anyway. So I just threw some things up there that if the baby grabbed them, you know, it wouldn't be a big deal.
So why do we hold on, even if it hurts so? It's breaking us apart. I guess we'll never know how it feels to see the shoreline. We have to.
This little spot on my counter is one of my favorite places to decorate during the different seasons. I usually always just put a little bit of decor right here on the end by my oils and those two crosses. I'll always set up some sort of little arrangement depending on the season. So I have that little Hello Fall sign that I got from Walmart, and the little twine pumpkin I made, and that little house, but I'm going to end up putting the house somewhere else. So you'll see me switch it out for, I believe I put a flower arrangement. I just thought it looked better and brought a little bit of height to the area. So yeah.
So why do we hold on, even if it hurts so? It's breaking us apart. I guess we'll never know how it feels to see the shoreline. We have to be together, stuck in the stormy weather.
I love this hutch or little table stand. I'm not sure the proper term for it so much. I got it off of Facebook Marketplace for like $10 a couple of years ago, and I painted it with Annie Sloan. I think it's, I can't even tell you what color it is. It's one of the Annie Sloan colors. French linen maybe? I think so. I'll double check, and if I'm wrong then I'll note that in the description. But I love this area to just switch it out during the different seasons, and I always keep that Bless This Mess sign because I really love it, and I'll just change out the little different pieces and put in some florals that pertain to that season. And you'll see here that I do end up taking off that wreath up top. I was kind of thinking about leaving it on there. As you can see in this clip, it's still there because the colors are sort of fall-ish, but then I decided to switch it out and put this other cross decoration that I have up there instead. So you'll see me here in a minute switch it out.
I'm glad that it is so. I'm lucky it is so. Everything I desire, but as strange as it may sound, when I'm still, things seem to come around. The journey is not ours to control. The journey is not ours to control.
Look at that cute little baby. So by this point, my son had woken up from his nap. He did not take a very good nap this day, which was frustrating. He hasn't been napping very well lately. I don't know what's going on with that. It must just be like a developmental growth spurt because I don't see any new teeth, so who knows. But yeah, here's that cross thing that I decided to put up here instead. I normally have that on my front porch, but I just thought that it looked better in this area. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Should I put the wreath back or leave the cross? I really hope that you enjoyed this fall decorate and clean with me video. I hope that it gives you some inspiration on how you want to decorate your own home. If you are not already, please subscribe. I would love it so much for you to join my little family here at The Shift Wife. And also, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. I am so grateful for each and every one of you that watch my videos, subscribe to my channel, and like and comment. It's so helpful to my channel since I am just starting out. So thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.